Hello, welcome guys. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download the Python for beginners and how to start coding. So for Python, there are several IDEs. So in which one, as a beginner, I would like to suggest you to go with Jupyter Notebook. It is very easy to code, and in that one you can code live. I'll show you in a bit how to download and how to use it. So first of all, let's see how many Python IDE we have. So as we can see here, we have idle, which is Python's own IDE. Then we have PyCharm. It is also good, but I wouldn't recommend this if you are intermediate programmer or if you are beginner. Spyder is also good IDE. Then Thony is also kind of Python idle, but Thony we are going to use when we are going to start programming Raspberry Pi. Then we have Genie also, out of which right now we are interested in Jupyter Notebook, which is provided by Anaconda, and Spyder is also provided by Anaconda. So to download the Python from Anaconda, write down Anaconda download. So it will take to you this page. Then go to individual edition. If you click here, it will show you this is an open source. There are lots of Conda packages in that one. If you want to learn R programming language, if you want to learn Python for visualization, also they give you a good software package. Then you can manage the individual environments by own. What good thing about Anaconda is it comes with some packages like NumPy, SciPy, and other packages that we have to download. So that's the Jupyter Notebook Lab. Then SciPy is again Python's library. NumPy is Python's library. Scikit-learn, Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch. So PyTorch is a deep learning library, just like Keras. Then Matplotlib for visualization. So in this one, we can run the machine learning models. We can do live data visualization with coding. That's why I'm saying Anaconda is much better for beginner. So today we are going to start with this one. So to install Anaconda, go to download. So it will take you here. So for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, you can download this one. I wouldn't recommend you guys to go for Python 2.7 because right now lots of community of 2.7 has been moved to 3.7, and I heard that shortly they're gonna close this one just like Windows 7. So I'm not sure about that one. So you guys can read the news, and depending upon your CPU, you can download either of these one. Just make sure that how many bits are being supported by your computer. Mine is 64, so I download this one, but I have already installed this one, so I would not download this one. Then we can search here. Once you download, you have to run that one. Okay, then we can go to Anaconda Navigator. It will take some time. While downloading, if you have any difficulties, then you can let me know in comment section so I can help you, because I am also coming from non-programming background. So it was difficult for me in initial days also how to install Keras, how to install TensorFlow. Once you guys will start installing those libraries, then you will come to know like you will have some difficulties. But again, if you have difficulties, Stack Overflow is a really good platform for that one. So now, yeah, okay. So this is our Anaconda navigator. So in this one, we have to launch the Jupyter Notebook. So this is a lab-based Jupyter Notebook, and this is the Jupyter Notebook that we are going to install. So once you are done with Anaconda navigator, you can launch the Jupyter Notebook. It has Qt console also. Then if you are at intermediate level and you want to do machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, then this is a powerful Python IDE. I'm also using Spyder, as you can see here. Then for data visualization, we have Bluevis. Then I don't know about Orange. R Studio is for R programming. If you want to code with R, R is also a good programming language if for data visualization and data scientist. So today mainly we are going to focus on Jupyter Notebook. So once you have launched this one, uh, you have to go to Anaconda, then go to Anaconda prompt. While opening this one, let me show you. So this is my Spyder IDE. So I was working on one project, so it's about that one. So what I like about this one is here it gives you a variable explorer, also file explorer. So it is very good when you are working with lots of variable. So when we are going to do some image processing at that time, I'll show you by opening the Spyder, and I'll show you what the capabilities of Spyder over Jupyter Notebook. And this is our Python console, IPython console. So in this one, we can see our code running. So once this one is open up, we can write down Jupyter Notebook. So once while I was downloading the Keras, as you can see here, I messed up with this one. So I have set up password. So, but if you are downloading the first time, it won't show you to make a password. So that this difficulty was arrived by Jupyter Notebook, that I should have my specific token in order to operate the Jupyter Notebook. So that's why I had to set up a password. If you guys have this type of similar difficulty, then you can let me know and I can find the best and suitable solution for you guys. So this is our Jupyter Notebook. So here we can rename. So let's make it the hello world. So here we can rename our name. Then this is the run. So in this one we can write anything. So our first program is going to be hello world, how to print hello world. So hello world. And to run, just you have to simply click on run, and yes, it executes the output just right below the cell. So that's why they call Jupyter Notebook as live coder. So you can code live, and this is good for data visualization. When we are going to do matplotlib, we have to plot several images. So you guys can go and watch my image classification tutorial. In that one I have shown you the capabilities of matplotlib. Also, after finishing that series, we are going to start with we'll cover each of the libraries one by one. We'll start with NumPy, then we'll cover Python. Then right now we are doing Keras for neural networks for deep learning. So if you are intermediate level programmer and if you are interested in neural networks, I would like to suggest you to go watch my image classification series. I have just started making tutorials on that one, in which we are going to build image classifiers. Also, we can directly add up the math commands. So as 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 divide by 8. And to run this cell, the shortcut is Shift Enter. So if you press Shift Enter, it will run and it will give you the output. And so when we are doing a big programming course, at that time we have facility to restart and run all. So if you guys have seen my previous tutorial, I have used this one because once my code was freezed, so I had to start it again. Then it gives you facility to run the cell all above, all below. Then you can insert the cell also. So this is a good idea if you are just starting with Python programming as a beginner, and this is good for intermediate level programmer also. Also, I have another Atom ID. I use this one, but I wouldn't recommend this one because since I'm using the Spyder IDE, I would like to go for Spyder IDE over Atom IDE. I don't know why my computer is a bit slow. Okay, so that's the welcome guide for this one. So this is a good idea also, but if you are having Spyder, then I would like to suggest you to go for Spyder. So let me show you. Let me create a variable 8 equal to 8, and from here I can run. Now I have to save this one also. So let me save this one. Now you see this is the variable, that is the its d type, data type. It's integer. It is having only one size, and the value is 8. If I put b equal to 7.7, if I run this one, then it will give me a float value. Also, we can write some text, and if I run, so it is giving me the string. So this is good for if you want to explore more variables rather than by printing. We can print the type also. We can use the built-in function type. And to run this particular cell, just like Jupyter Notebook, you can select the line and you can run the specific cell. So it will give you class int. So it is giving you here. So you don't have to check the type of variable if you are having a variable explorer here. So this is all about for today's tutorial. So if you guys have any question for me, you can feel free to ask me, and let me know which Python IDE you are going to install and getting started with. Also, if you are having any difficulty, then always you can reach out to me, and I would be happy to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find my videos educational, then please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to upload more videos, particularly 2 videos every week, definitely for sure in this pandemic situation of due to Corona. So stay safe, stay healthy, guys. See you next time. Have a great time ahead. Bye.